Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 27th, 2021. I wanted to come through today, especially for all of our trap watchers, and give you all the update for Yearn Finance. You all can see right here that Yearn Finance hasn't been doing too much since our last price prediction, which was on July the 11th, 2021. So we're going to talk about that, see what happened after our price prediction on July the 11th. And then we're going to take this away, put in another price prediction so that we can all eat into the market, so that we can all predict price movement, so that we will not be surprised to wherever the price goes, right? We don't care if the market's going to go higher or lower, because we can still profit in either way. In either price direction, we can still be successful in this space. And we're able to do it. That's not confusing. You guys can see from our chart, it's not confusing. We don't have 15 indicators on our chart because it is useless and it's pointless. It doesn't give us any competitive advantage. Now, if there was one indicator out there that would give us a leg up amongst everyone else, then yeah, we'll use it. But as you can see, it's not one right now. All right. So if you want to join our team, if you guys appreciate the content that we are creating, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel. We'd definitely like to have you on board. Just in case you all want to learn more about it, we're here, right? If you guys just want to get the heads up, we're here for that as well too. So now let me tell you what happened into the market after we've done our price prediction in Yearn Finance, which is right there on July the 11th. We maintain our price prediction in the market for Yearn Finance, right? So the market that we did our last video was right here. And we told everyone on that particular video that we were still expecting the market price in Yearn Finance to go higher, right? We had the ability to TP out the market around $36,000. Hopefully you was able to grab that, because when we did our video prior to July the 11th, we told you that that would be our first area TP, right? And we wanted to see if we had another bite at the apple around $36,000. And so far, we haven't gotten that, right? But all is not lost, because the market in Yearn Finance is still pretty much trading sideways. You guys can see here that we are well within a trading channel, right up there towards $40,000, all the way back down to 24,400, right? So we need to make the determination if Yearn Finance still has the ability to go higher, because from yesterday's trading, we did see some selling come into the market. Yeah, we did. The volume came in higher than what we've been used to, and then we closed towards the low of the bar. That lets us know that the stockpile really came into the market in Yearn Finance. So we need to see the market support itself, that it took the brunt of that selling that came into the market yesterday in Yearn Finance, and we still see the market in Yearn Finance close higher than the previous day, then yeah, the market had no impact. You know, the selling that occurred yesterday had no impact on Yearn Finance. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take this away. I mean, the market has pretty much traded sideways. Let's give it some new life. Let's do a new price prediction into the market in Yearn Finance. So let's take this away. If it were to get out now, we'd be down around 3.4%. Okay, right there. So let's clean it. Now I wanted to show you something else into the market in Yearn Finance that we should all pay attention to, and it's this. Take a look at the trend. Yeah, the market in Yearn Finance is still following the overall long-term trend. I mean, we started this trend all the way back in August of 2020. We tested that ascending line again in November 2020. And here we are again a couple of days ago, July 21st, 2021. The market came and tested that ascending line again. Now, again, that doesn't mean we're done with lower prices. It just simply means that the trap is wanting to support the market so far. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this price chart on a 3-day time frame. And so far, so good. I mean, I really don't see too much happening to the market in Yearn Finance. And when you see that, you know, is either you can sit the sideline and don't participate because the market's not really giving us a biased direction, because we're getting some mixed signals, right? Let me show you on the 3-day. So right here on this 3-day price bar right here, the market in Yearn Finance did give us some strength, but only to be followed by with stockpile. Kind of lets us know that, yeah, the market is still confused. The market doesn't know precisely what direction it really wants to go. That translates over to this market just pretty much consolidating. And we can still hold that $24,000 price all the way up there towards $36,000 for that consolidational trading range. Okay, so we can see the price bouncing between those two numbers there. Now let me show you on a weekly time frame. And this is the market right here in Yearn Finance on the weekly. And I wanted to show you all this into the market on the weekly time frame in Yearn Finance. You guys can see right here on the weekly how we still got some indication of weakness here on the week of July the 5th, 2021. We're getting that same type of price bar again, and look at the result. So we can still see this market in Yearn Finance come and touch that ascending line again throughout August, September time frame. Okay, this is the monthly time frame right here in Yearn Finance. So I mean, I really don't see too much really going on, you know, that would warrant us to have the ability to do a price prediction. I just don't see it yet. So for the most part, I'm pretty much just looking for this market in Yearn Finance to consolidate, trade sideways. It's very good to see the market hold support above $24,000, and now support is going to be around $28,000. So under any premise of higher prices, the market needs to sustain itself above $28,000. The longer we do that, the greater the chances are that the market will go higher. It's just that simple. Now my concern is what happened on this last 13-hour bar though, right here. Okay, if the market in Yearn Finance truly was giving us some strength and we were really in a bullish environment, we should not have seen this 13-hour price bar right there. So it lets me know that there's still sellers in the market in Yearn Finance, and that the best outcome would be for us to get some sideways trading, for us to continue that for a while. And then after the market continues to drop more information, give us more price bars, we should be able to see, okay, yeah, he's trying to take the price higher. But as of this particular moment, it's a mixed bag. And when you see mixed bags, you don't know what you're going to get. It's kind of like Forrest Gump. So we don't want to touch this right now. I'm not going to put in a price prediction in the market in Yearn Finance. Pretty much just a price update, what we're noticing, what we're expecting to occur into the market. But yet and still, we need to see more strength in order for us to continue what happened back on July the 20th, July the 21st, in order for us to maintain that upward price momentum. I'll be the first one to tell you, if there's not a play, we don't come in and play and participate with everyone else. Let everyone else work out that situation, put their money on the line to go ahead and try to make a buck, right? We will just stay out. And once we get a little bit more information from the trap, we'll come back in, get in position, and win. That's what we're all about. So again, I'm not going to touch the market right now in Yearn Finance. We're going to sit the sideline, and as we get more information, I'll come in and do another price update in terms of where we're expecting the market price to go in Yearn Finance. All right. But hey, this is what we're seeing. Okay. So I want to know, what are your thoughts though? Okay. We're a community. We're here to anticipate price movement and predict it. So since we're not going to touch this particular market, what about you? Are you going to touch it? Are you going to play in it? If so, tell us. Let me know where you all think the price is going to go for Yearn Finance, so that everyone else who watches or views this video can try to get some other viewpoints as to where they're expecting the market price to go. Let's do in the next 3 weeks. In the next 3 weeks, where do you think the price in Yearn Finance is going to be? Because for right now, for us, from our viewpoint, we don't see too much going on right here. All right, so let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, see you on the next one.